admiring some nature right now, and there's a fish over there. Not sure if you can see it. It might be two, actually. Yeah, there are two. Looks clear today, kinda. And there are some geese over there, and some more over there, and another one way over there. If you guys can see, stuff are starting to bloom. That white tree is so beautiful. Water looks calm, almost like glass right now. There's not a single breeze. The geese are kind of talking over there. Probably not gonna do it on camera now. Just did a little one. Little honk. They're talking back and forth to each other. Nature is so pretty. I could admire it all day. There's some geese. Maybe they're calling for their friends. If you look closely, there is a bird up in that tree. I cannot tell what kind it is. They are talking up a storm over there. Those ones are staying quiet over there. If you look closely, the moving water, there are actually 4 fish over there. Saw them last second. I didn't realize that they were fish that were making that move over there. Those ones are starting to talk. Oh, now they're swimming. Maybe they're coming to say hi to me. Maybe they know that I'm a YouTuber and maybe they want to be filmed. Oh, what's happening? If a battle between all these geese happen right now, I am 100% filming that, by the way. Those ones are kind of getting closer. Then there's one right there. The other one that was with that one is over there. You can see the head moving. If you listen carefully, you can hear some birds chirping. I do not know where they are. They sound like they might be in the distance. But right before I pulled up here, right before I started filming, there were actually 2 little birds sitting on the branches right there. Surprised I did not see any flying around right now. I wonder where they are gonna go. Every time they make their honking noise, you can kind of see their mouths, their beaks moving. All the dandelions popping up this time of year, and the yellow flowers over there, pretty cool. What if they go to the other side? What if they cross the road? Why did the goose cross the road? There's a bird. Little bird flying up there. No creatures on this side. Kind of looks like it would be a good habitat for a snake, though. To be just chilling on those rocks on a sunny day. There's a goose. There's a goose over there walking along the bank, along the shoreline. But anyway, I am starting to feel a couple raindrops, so I am gonna end this video here of admiring nature, is what I'm probably gonna title it. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications as well. This is only my 3rd full video this month. But anyway, everyday Andrew out. Peace.